Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a vintage McCulloch chainsaw. This is the model 430. This saw was made in 1953. Weighs 30 pounds, power head only. And it has a 4 horsepower, and that's how they come up with that 430 number. It's 4 horsepower, 30 pounds. Lightweight for today and age. It does turn over. The piston and cylinder look good. It does not run. I haven't started it. It's going to need some tuning, or it's a restoration, a good one to hang on the wall. It's a very big and beautiful saw. Make a great wall hanger. Got that bar with the two eagles flying, or two geese flying. They're not eagles, they're geese. 2 or 3 geese flying on it there, you can see. And the length on that bar is 31 inches. So if you collect these old big McCullochs, here's a nice one for you.